Hey chickies, thanks so much for hanging out for a bit today. I hope you guys are all doing well and just sending you guys positive vibes and lots of virtual hugs. Today we are going to be unboxing and chatting all about the Hello Kitty and Friends times Erin Condren special edition box. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell and give this video a like. It would truly mean so much. It would show your support for my channel. I just received this the other day and I'm so excited to open it. This was sent over by Erin Condren. Thank you so much to Erin Condren and Hello Kitty and Friends. Just a little bit about this. This is a special edition box. I believe the price point is $55, so I will link it down below in case you're interested. But I think if you're a Hello Kitty fan, I don't think this box will disappoint. So let's just go ahead and open it because you guys know I am like such a huge Hello Kitty fan. So inside it says Hello Kitty times Erin Condren. Be kind, be nice, repeat. It kind of just makes me want to keep this box because it is so cute. Let's first start with this, and it is a set of gel pens. These are colorful gel pens, perfect for my planner. You guys know I absolutely just adore my planner. It really helps me keep on track because if I don't write it down, honestly, I will forget about it. I have a pink, coral, yellow, green, and a blue. And on the pen itself, it has a little Hello Kitty. Hello, this is adorable. I have here, oh my gosh, dead. Oh my gosh, this is the bow keyring. Oh my goodness, this is just too adorable. So you can, yes, here you go. So you basically just unscrew it here and you can attach it to your keys. This is so cute. This little part says Sanrio. It's really good quality and it's so adorable. It's Hello Kitty's bow. So the next thing we have in here is Never Not Planning, and this is a sticky notepad. It contains 20 adhesive sheets. So basically has the days of the week, of course, Hello Kitty's face up here. This is very cute. This is a great addition, especially to have in your planner, so you can just kind of slap it on your monthly or your weekly spreadsheet. The Hello Kitty and Friends Asterisk Pocket Journal, and this is a lined journal. I want to see what it looks like. It's cream and gold, and then you have Hello Kitty's face and she's winking, and it's also a lined journal, and the inside is pink. Next we have the Hello Kitty and Friends Metallic Postcard Trio. Teal blue. The other one says be kind, be nice, repeat. And the last one, we're all in this together. And you have all the different friends. I think, yeah. There's Tuxedo Sam, Pachaco, Karopi, Choco Cat, My Melody, and I believe this is it, I always forget this character's name. Is it Cinnamon Roll? I think that's the name of this character. And then of course you have Hello Kitty right up here in the corner. This is a sticker pack trio. I really do enjoy their sticker packs from the collaboration. So you have Hello Kitty's face and a couple that say to do. Let me open this. Really do come in handy. So it says to do. It has like a lot of space for you to write. Today, reminder. And then a couple other stickers to kind of also decorate your planner. Then in this box, planner. Oh, it's a planner and pencil cup. I already read it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. It's a ceramic cup and you have Hello Kitty's face with the bows on it. And it's a very pretty, like pale pink. I mean, this is gonna go on my desk. I already have a container for all of my markers and stuff, but I think I'm gonna just put make this like my little catch-all tray for maybe like SD cards, stuff like that. But this is so pretty. It's so pretty. And then our very last item. Oh my goodness, this is just like, this is perfect because it is raining today in Southern California, which is very rare. It's a raspberry Hello Kitty umbrella. So this is what it looks like. Has a cover slip, and then you have your umbrella, which I don't want to open in the house, but I mean, it basically has Hello Kitty's face all over it, and it has the holder here so you can put it around your wrist or attach it to like your purse or something. But this is perfect, so I'm going to be using this today since it is pouring outside. Those are all the items inside the Hello Kitty and Friends times Erin Condren special edition box. For the value of $55, you do get a lot of items, and I mean a lot of cute items that honestly I know I'm going to be using. I mean, hello, we're going to be using this one today. So let me know, what did you think of the special edition box? Did you guys pick it up? If you guys have not picked it up, again, make sure you check out the link down below. Could please shop through that link. It really does also help support my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe and staying cozy and warm. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.